guys, yeah, so that's the Sansui G-2000 receiver, and two Sansui's SP-2000. It's a very nice sound, guys. Very clean, very crisp, very beautiful speakers, guys. And I have no regrets buying these speakers, guys, because the clarity of the speakers is just fantastic. What an amazing speakers, guys, from 70s. As you can see, it's an old looks, but the sound quality, guys, that's what I'm after for. That's what I'm chasing for. That's what I wanted. The sound. Very nice sound from this amazing Sansui's, guys. So guys, if you want to start and you don't want to spend a lot of money for your stereo system, or you want to have a very nice stereos that will not spend more than $500, you can get this kind of stuff, the Sansui Vintage. And I know some of you guys don't want the vintage, they want the modern ones, they want the black looking expensive receivers, but they are missing something. Honestly, guys, this vintage speakers, guys, it has this sound quality. I tell you why, guys, because this stereos, guys, when they build the stereos, they really take their time building this. And they were building this by hands, not a machine, not like today. And they take their time and they really want to make sure that it will sound great, guys. And the engineers from Japan, guys, build these stereos really good. And even up to nowadays, even up to now, 2022, imagine the speakers, guys, from the 70s and still around, guys, because Japan made a stereo that would last for a very long time. Today's stereos, guys, very sloppy plastic faceplate, and they won't last for 5 years. You know why? They do that in purpose, guys, because there's new models that coming out and they want to make more money. That's how they do it. But back in the days, guys, 1960s, 70s, 80s, Japanese stereos, guys, they really build the stereos that would last and that would make their customers satisfied with the stereos, guys, when they purchase stereos that made in Japan. What is the reason why? The reason why, guys, because they want to establish their names, the Japanese brand, the reputations of their works, and that is why they build the stereos really good. The sound quality, guys, it's amazing. Just like the cars, guys. Japanese cars, they last long. They last for a very long time, and it could last for up to 300, 400,000 miles and still running, guys. I tell you, Japan made, guys, it's just an amazing stereos, guys. But for some of you guys that doesn't know and go by the looks, don't go after the looks. Go after the stability, the sound quality, the life, the long life of the stereos. And yeah, the last one is look for, well, the looks. Yeah, it looks better, like, you know, when you have a nice looking Japanese stereos like this. But go for the sound, guys, and think about your money, because some people, guys, they just buy and they don't think. They just want to go after the looks, and then in a few months, few years, they start getting tired of their stereos, especially if they buy like Macintosh for a couple thousands, and then they charge it with their credit cards, and that's how they regret later on. So guys, my opinion, and I'll be honest with you, Sansui is a good brand, and Vintage, guys, it's a good stereos, and the sound quality is amazing, guys. Like I told you even before, like I always mention in my videos, Japanese, it's a good stereos, guys. So here I'm just listening to the sound of this nice looking Sansui. Very nice, guys. So there it is, guys. You heard the sound of the Sansuis from G-2000 and SP-2000 speakers. So guys, I hope you liked the video, and just sharing it with you guys, sharing these videos for beginners, or you know, they don't really know about Sansuis, about this the performance of Sansuis and their, you know, their work from Japan. So now this is the time that you guys see and know, and you get the knowledge from me about Sansuis and Japanese made. Yeah. So guys, I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you again in the next video when I have a new one. And I will see you then. For now, I'll say bye-bye.